The second weird thing that's happened on this job, and take a look at the common for the open limit. It's all bent. I bent it back and it fits on there good now. Might have to tighten up the chain just a little bit. Alright, got the chain tight. Let's go ahead and just grab a remote and see how I welded the bolt to the washer. Kind of like doing that, it makes these easier to get on and off. Shorten the chain so that'll affect the open and close limit. Perfect. Now let's close it. Alright, I'm going to go back 2 notches. That's why the limits were that on, because that's where I set the limit. What's the I've got the gate set up to open, stop, close. You gotta be real cautious when you go in between that chain and something that's close to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it because I stopped it in the middle. I didn't have to open it up all the way to get this limit set. So, all right, winner, chicken dinner, small little gap. Now let's just test the safety device. Perfect.